Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math classes, and this is Anita Misra here. Today I have taken class 10 chapter 9 some applications of trigonometry, and trigonometry we have already completed. So first of all, please subscribe my channel to watch more video. So let us start this chapter. This chapter is based on height and distance. So before going to start exercise, we should know some important points related to this chapter. First one is line of sight. Line of sight. Second one is angle of elevation. And third one is angle of depression. So let us see these points first. Suppose object is kept above the horizontal level. This one is here. Suppose this here is object, and here is observer. Then this line is called line of sight. This line is called line of sight, and this is called horizontal level. So angle between line of sight and horizontal level is called angle of elevation. And suppose object is kept below the horizontal level. So suppose here is object, and here is observer. Then this line is called line of sight. Now here angle between, this is horizontal level. So angle between horizontal level and line of sight here is called angle of depression. Okay? पहले केस में हम कह सकते हैं कि एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन में जो ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा हॉरिजेंटल लेवल से ऊपर रहेगा और ऑब्जर्वर का जो हेड होगा वो ऊपर की तरफ होगा. सेकेंड केस में ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा हॉरिजेंटल लेवल से नीचे होगा, बिलो होगा. देन ऑब्जर्वर का हेड बिलो होगा, नीचे की तरफ होगा. सो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन में ऑब्जर्वर का हेड नीचे होगा एंड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन में ऑब्जर्वर का हेड ऊपर की तरफ होगा. So let us start exercise 9.1. Our first question is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. तो सबसे पहले हम डायग्राम बनाते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या क्या दिया हुआ है. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ. सपोज दिस वन इज ए पोल. हियर लेट इट ए बी. इट इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन ए horizontal level, and this one is a rope. It is tied from top of the pole to the ground, and length of this rope is given 20 meter. So write here 20 meter. Suppose this point is C. Here angle is given 30 degree. So first write what is given. AC is given, length of rope is given 20 meter, and angle ACB is given 30 degree, and here we have to find out height of the pole, that is AB. So we have to find out what will be AB. In this chapter we are going to use trigonometric ratio. So what is sin theta? Yes, sine theta is equal to perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular distance is AB. So write here AB. And it is divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Then put the value of theta. Theta is equal to here 30 degree. So write here sine 30 degree. Right here AB. AB is not given. We have to find out AB. AC is given 20. So write here 20. What is value of sine 30? Yes, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So write here 1 by 2. Write here AB divided by 20. Then do here cross multiplication. We get 2AB is equal to 20. Then what will be AB? Then AB will be 20 divided by 2. That means 10 meter. So height of the pole will be 10 meter. So right here height of the pole is 10 meter. This is your answer. Let us see question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. First of all, we have to draw a diagram. In this chapter, diagram is most important. Okay, so suppose AB is a tree. Suppose it is broken from this point C and bends and it touches the ground at point D. So this angle is 30 degree. It is given. And this distance is given 8 meter. यहाँ पे AC is equal to क्या होगा? CD. क्योंकि CD क्या है? AC का AC ही है. Broken part of tree है. So CD is equal to AC. So first write this. CD is equal to AC. Then write what is given. Here dB is given. dB is given 8 meter. And this angle CDB, angle CDB is given 30 degree. And what we have to find out? Here we have to find out height of this tree. That means AB. So right here we have to find out AB. Then what will be AB? AB will be AC plus BC. Yes? And AC is equal to CD. So we can write in place of AC, write CD plus BC. But we don't know the value of CD and the value of BC. So first we find out what is CD and what is BC. So in right angle triangle, right here, in right angled triangle DBC. For this angle, what will be tan theta? Tan, here theta is 30 degree. So write tan 30 degree. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular distance divided by base. Here perpendicular distance is BC. So write here BC. And what is base? Base is 8 meter. And what is value of tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So write here 1 by root 3. it is equal to BC by 8. So what will be BC? Do cross multiplication. So BC will be 8 by root 3. Right here 1. Then we have to find out CD. This one. So and base is given. Here this one CD is hypotenuse. So we can write cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is, you can write base is dV, hypotenuse is CD. So dV is given 8 meters. So write here 8. And CD is not given. We have to find out. So write here CD. What is value of cos 30? Yes, cos 30 is equal to sin 60. And sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And write here 8 divided by CD. Do cross multiplication. So CD will be 8 multiplied by 2 and divided by root 3. So 8 2 ja 16 divided by root 3. This one is second. So what will be AB? Height of this tree? Yes. AB is equal to CD plus BC. CD is equal to AC. So we can write CD is from here, right? 16 by root 3. And what is BC? BC is equal to 8 by root 3. Denominator are same. So it will be 16 plus 8, 24. So 24 by root 3. Here root 3 is given in denominator. So make it in simple form. So write here 24 divided by root 3. Multiply it by root 3 and divide also by root 3. So it will be 24 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. So this is 3. Then 8 3 ja. This is 3. Then 3 8 ja 24. So it will be 8 root 3 meter. So this is AB. AB means height of the tree. So this is our answer. Height of the tree will be 8 root 3. So let us see question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slides at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? दोनों केस में हमें स्लाइड की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ डायग्राम. ओके, सो फॉर फर्स्ट केस, फॉर बिलो 5, let us draw. This one is a slide A, B, C, and height of the slide is given 1.5 meter and this angle is given 30 degree and we have to find out length of the slide. Here length of the slide is AC. So first write what is given. Here AB is equal to given 1.5 meter, angle ACB is given 30 degree. So in right angle triangle ABC, here this one is 90 degree. We have to find out AC. We have to find out AC. So what is the relation between this hypotenuse and perpendicular distance? Yes, perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse is called sin theta and here theta is given 30 degree. So use that formula. Right here sine 30 degree will be perpendicular distance, right, AB divided by hypotenuse AC. Write the value of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And write AB. AB is given 1.5. And we have to find out AC. So what will be AC? AC will be 1.5 multiplied by 2. So this will be 3 meter. So in first case, for below 5, the length of the slide will be 3 meter. Okay, this one is your first answer. Second one is for elder children. Here length of the slide we have to find out and height of the slide is given 3 meter. So first draw a diagram. Suppose this one is E, this one is F and this one is G. Here height of the slide is given 3 meter. So first write EF is equal to 3 meter. And this angle is given here 60 degree. So write here EGF is equal to 60 degree. And what we have to find out? Yes, here we have to find out EG. EG is equal to length of the slide. EG will be length of the slide. So here what is the relation between? Again hypotenuse and perpendicular distance. Yes, perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse is called sine theta. Again use that. So sine, here theta is equal to 60 degree. So write sine 60 degree is equal to, here perpendicular distance is EF and it is divided by hypotenuse, that will be EG. What is value of sine 60? Yes, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and EF is given 3 meter and EG we have to find out. So by cross multiplication we can write EG is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 divided by root 3. So it will be, divide 3 by root 3, we get root 3. So write this 2 first, then write root 3. So in second case, length of the slide will be 2 root 3 meter. This is our answer. Okay. Let us see question number 4. It is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So first of all, let us draw a diagram on the basis of given information. Okay. So suppose a tower is given. So suppose AB is a given tower. Right here B. This one is a tower. And angle of elevation is given. This one. Suppose this point is C and this is given 30 degree. And this point is at 30 meter from this point. So this will be right angle. So first write what is given. Here given angle ACB, angle of elevation, it is given 30 degree. Second thing, what is given? This distance BC is given. BC is given 30 meter. And what we have to find out? Yes, we have to find out AB. That means height of the tower. Then think what is relation between this base and perpendicular distance. Yes, this ratio is called tan theta. Yes. So what is formula for tan theta? Here theta is 30 degree for this angle. Tan theta will be AB divided by BC. Now put the value of tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So write here 1 by root 3. AB is equal to, AB is not given, so write AB is equal to AB. And BC is given 30 meter, so write here 30 meter. Then do cross multiplication, we get AB is equal to 30 divided by root 3. Here root 3 is given in denominator, so we have to multiply root 3 by root 3 to write in standard form. Okay, so it will be 30 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So write here 3. Then divide this 30 by 3. You will get 10. So you will get 10 root 3. This is the height of tower, given tower. So this one is your answer. Height of the tower is 10 root 3. So let us see next question. Question number 5. It is a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no sag in the string. So first of all, we have to draw a diagram on the basis of given information. So let us draw. Suppose this one is a kite. This one. So this one is given 60 meter. And here this one is a string and it is inclined at angle 60 degree from the ground. So write here 60 degree. Suppose this is A, this is B and this one is C. So first write what is given. So here AB is given. AB is given. Kite is above the ground at distance 60 meter. So write here 60 meter. Second thing, this angle is given. Angle of elevation. So it will be ACB. ACB is given 60 degree. And we have to find out length of the string. That means this AC. So what will be AC? So in triangle ABC, this one is a right angle triangle. Then what is relation between this perpendicular distance and hypotenuse? Yes, perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse is called sine theta. Yes, so right here sine theta. Theta is here 60 degrees. So sine 60 degree is equal to here. What is perpendicular distance for this angle? It will be AB. Right here AB. And hypotenuse is AC. Put the value of sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And AB is given 60 meter. So write here 60. And write AC. We have to find out AC. Then do cross multiplication. So it will be root 3 AC is equal to 16 to the 120. Then write what will be AC? AC will be 120 divided by root 3. So multiply here by root 3 and divide also by root 3 to make it standard form. So it will be 120 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So here 3. Then divide 120 by 3. We get 3 4 ja 24 0 root 3. So length of the string will be right here. Length of string will be 40 root 3 meter. This is your answer. Our next question is question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walks towards the building. तो चलिए सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, डायग्राम बनाते हैं. Suppose this one is a building. AB is right here. AB is a tall building. It is given, and it is given 30 meter. Height of this building is given 30 meter. And on the ground, a boy is standing here. Height of the boy is 1.5 meter. It is given 1.5 meter. And angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building, first it is given 30 degree. After moving some distance, it is given 60 degree. So right here 60 degree, 30 degree. So right here C, D and E. So first write what is given. It is given AB. Height of the tower is given 30 meter. And suppose this one is, and height of boy is given 1.5 meter. And this angle is given 30 degree, this angle is given 30 degree. And what we have to find out here? Here we have to find out how much distance he traveled. So distance traveled by him is ED. Here we have to find out ED. So what will be ED? We can say that ED will be EC minus CD. Right here equation 1. So first find out this distance, this one. What will be AC? So AC will be, AB is equal to 30 meter. So AC will be 30 meter minus this distance. BC will be also 1.5 meter. This will be also 1.5 meter from this to this. So write here 1.5 meter. So 30 minus 1.5 will be 28.5 meter. So in this triangle AEC, right here, in triangle AEC, perpendicular distance is given and we have to find out base. So which formula? Yes, tan theta, trigonometric ratio tan theta. So right here tan theta is equal to perpendicular distance. This means AC. Right here AC divided by EC. Then right here tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So right here 1 by root 3 is equal to AC is equal to, here AC is 28.5 and it is divided by EC. So what will be EC? Do cross multiplication. EC will be 28.5 multiplied by root 3. So right here equation 2. Then again in triangle, this triangle ADC, again tan theta, but here theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree will be perpendicular distance AC divided by, here base will be CD. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So right here root 3. Root 3 divided by AC is 28.5. And we have to find out CD. Then what will be CD? Yes, CD will be 28.5 divided by root 3. Now put the value of EC and CD in this equation. We get ED. So what will be ED? Right here ED will be, EC is equal to 28.5 multiplied by root 3 minus this one. This one is 28.5 divided by root 3. Then right here. Then we can take common 28.5. So right here 28.5. So it will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So right here 28.5 root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 minus 1 will be 2 divided by root 3. So make it in standard form. We have to multiply it by root 3 and divide it by root 3. So it will be 28.5 multiplied by 2 root 3. And root 3 will be 3. So divide this by 3. 3 9 ja 27. Then 3 5 ja 15. So it will be 9.5 multiplied by 2 root 3. Multiply here again. 5 2 ja 10, 0. And 2 9 ja 18 and 1, 19. 19.0 root 3. That means 19 root 3 meter. This will be distance that this boy walked towards the tower. So your answer will be this ED, and ED is equal to 19 root 3 meter. This is your answer. Next question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 65 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay, let us draw a diagram. Here what is given? Here a building is given. Suppose this one is A and this one is B. And height of this building is given 20 meter. And here a tower is fixed. Suppose this one is C. And from a fixed point on the ground, the angle of elevation from bottom is given 45 degree. And of the top it is given 60 degree. It is given 60 degree. Suppose this point is D. Then we have to find out height of this tower. Suppose this one is X. Okay, so first write what is given. AB is given. AB is given 20 meter. Angle ADB is given 45 degree. Angle CDB is given 60 degree. So in triangle ABD, what will be the relation between this perpendicular distance and base? Yes, perpendicular distance divided by base is called tan theta. Here theta is equal to 45 degree. So right here tan 45 degree will be perpendicular distance is AB. So right here AB, base is BD. Put the value tan 45 is 1. AB is given 20 meter. So right here 20. And right here BD. So what will be BD? Yes, BD will be 20 meter. Then again this triangle. So right here in triangle CBD. This one is perpendicular distance and this will be base. So right here tan, here angle will be 60 degree. So tan 60 will be, right, BC, divided by BD. Okay, tan 60 कितना होता है √3. So right here √3. BC क्या होगा? BC will be 20 plus this x. And what is BD? BD is 20 meter. So right here 20. So we can write, do cross multiplication. Then 20 plus x will be 20 √3. So x will be 20 √3 minus 20. Take common 20. So it will be 20 √3 minus 1. This is equal to x. So height of the tower will be, height of the tower is equal to 20 √3 minus 1 meter. This is your answer. Question number 8 is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. तो सबसे पहले गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पे हम क्या बनाएंगे, एक डायग्राम बनाते हैं. सो सपोज दिस वन इज ए पेडेस्टल. सो राइट हियर ए बी एंड हियर इज ए statue. So write this. And height of statue is given 1.6 meter. And angle of elevation top of the statue is given from a fixed point. Top of the angle of elevation is given here 60 degree. And top of the pedestal is given 45 degree. This one is given 45 degree. And we have to find out height of this pedestal. So suppose this one is h. So first write here, let AB is equal to h. And write what is given. This AC is given. AC is equal to 1.6 meter. So what will be BC? Yes, BC will be h plus 1.6. And angle, this angle C, right here D, angle CDB is given 60 degree. Angle ADB is given 45 degree. So in triangle, this triangle ADB, right here ABD, use trigonometric ratio. This one is perpendicular distance and this one is base. So what will be tan theta? Yes, theta is 45. So tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular distance is here AB divided by BD. What is value of AB? AB is here h and BD is equal to, right here BD. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So right here 1. 1 is equal to h by BD. So what will be BD? BD will be h. Right, this one is our first equation. Then write again in triangle CBD. Tan 60 will be this distance. Perpendicular distance will be here BC. Divided by base will be BD. And what is value of tan 60? Yes, tan 60 is equal to √3. Right, BC. BC is equal to h plus, here BC is equal to h plus 1.6. And BD is equal to here, from here it is h. So do cross multiplication. So √3h is equal to h plus 1.6. So take this h this side. So it will be रूट 3 minus 1 into h is equal to 1.6. So h will be 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now make this in standard form. So we have to multiply conjugate root 3 plus 1 and also divide by root 3 plus 1. So here it will be 1.6 multiplied by root 3 plus 1. And here it is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So square of root 3 will be 3. So 3 and square of 1 will be 1. Now we can write 1.6 root 3 plus 1 and it is divided by 3 minus 1 will be 2. When we divide we get 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. This means height of pedestal will be 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is your answer. इस वीडियो में हम आज यहीं तक सॉल्व करेंगे. इसके आगे के क्वेश्चन हम इस वीडियो के पार्ट 2 में सॉल्व करेंगे. इसलिए सबसे पहले आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए. सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.